Vitamix Blender 5200 C-Series Blender. This product review is Amazon Associate. Commissions earned. You find the Amazon link to the product in the video description. If you want to see more reviews like this, remember to subscribe on our YouTube channel. Feel free to like and comment. Here's a comprehensive product analysis of the Vitamix 5200 C-Series Blender, covering its features, performance, ease of use, and value for money to help you or your audience make an informed decision. Product overview: Vitamix 5200 C-Series Blender. The Vitamix 5200 is one of the most popular models in Vitamix's classic C-Series lineup. Designed with commercial-grade durability for home use, it has become a staple for serious home cooks and smoothie enthusiasts alike. Key features: motor power. 2.0 peak horsepower motor, approximately 1,380 watts. High torque with cooling fan and thermal protection system. Capable of blending dense ingredients and tough foods, for example, ice, frozen fruit, nuts. Variable speed control. Manual dial with 10 speed settings. No pre-programmed modes, offers full manual control. Allows for precise texture adjustments. Container: 64 ounces tall BPA-free Triton container. Classic tall, narrow design for better vortex blending. Ideal for medium to large batches. Blades: laser-cut stainless steel blades. Blades spin at up to 37,000 RPM. Durable enough to handle everything from soup to nut butter. Self-cleaning. Just add warm water and a drop of soap. Run on high for 30 to 60 seconds. Rocket performance. Crushes ice effortlessly. Smooth results with fibrous vegetables, kale, celery. Easily processes hot soups, frozen desserts, nut butters, batters, doughs. Consistency: extremely smooth textures, rivaling commercial machines. Excellent for smoothies, sauces, hot soups, baby food, and dressings. WLE: friction heat can warm soup from cold to steaming hot in about 6 minutes. Noise level: loud, especially at higher speeds, common for high-powered blenders. Consider using a silicone mat to reduce noise and vibration. Ease of use. Pros: simple interface, one on-off switch, one high variable speed switch, one variable dial. No confusing digital display or multiple buttons. Easy to clean, disassemble not required. Strong user manual and lots of online recipes, tutorials. Cons: no preset programs, you must manually control time speed. Tall container may not fit under low kitchen cabinets. Some users may find it less intuitive than newer models with digital controls. Value for money. Durability: built to last 10+ years with proper use. Comes with a 7-year full warranty. Made in the USA with quality components. Price range: typically priced around $400 to $450 USD. Expensive upfront, but often seen as an investment appliance. WD comparisons: outperforms cheaper blenders, e.g. Ninja, NutriBullet, in texture and longevity. Cheaper than high-end Vitamix models with smart tech, but offers equal blending performance. The when it might not be worth it. If you only make simple smoothies occasionally. If pre-programmed settings and compact size are priorities. If you're on a tight budget and not a daily user. Pros: powerful 2.0 HP motor, handles tough ingredients with ease. Durable and long-lasting, often over a decade of use. Produces exceptionally smooth blends, smoothies, soups, nut butters. Simple, intuitive, manual controls, no digital interface to break. Easy to clean with self-cleaning feature. Comes with a generous 7-year full warranty. Excellent customer support from Vitamix. Versatile, can heat soups, grind grains, make dough, and more. That's cons. No pre-programmed settings or digital display. Tall container may not fit under standard kitchen cabinets. Louder than many newer models or compact blenders. Expensive upfront, premium price point. Lacks newer smart features found in other Vitamix models. Manual control may have a learning curve for beginners. 1. Final verdict. Is the Vitamix 5200 worth it? Yes, if you're a frequent blender user who values power, durability, and consistency. It's a high-performance workhorse with a reputation for lasting over a decade with daily use. The lack of preset functions may deter tech-savvy users, but for those who prefer manual precision and professional-grade results, the Vitamix 5200 remains a top-tier investment.